Bullish Bitcoin money cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $518.73 and $979.82 by 2030. Market experts accept BCH could reach $403.45 by 2025. Bearish Bitcoin money market cost expectation for 2023 is $92.22. Bitcoin money presentation. One of the most famous forks of the first Bitcoin network is Bitcoin money. The thought for the cryptographic money was propelled by misery with where Bitcoin was taking, which was away from Satoshi Nakamoto's unique arrangement for it to work as a computerized cash. The production of Bitcoin money, what works more like a cash than a store of significant worth, lighted a wild debate between defenders of Bitcoin and other people who felt that Bitcoin should have been ready to exchange all the more rapidly and inexpensively. Close to this time, a supposed nationwide conflict broke out, with allies of Bitcoin money dismissing Bitcoin and proclaiming it to as of now not be the genuine Bitcoin. Then, at that point, in August 2017, Bitcoin money was made because of a fork. It had a promising start, however, has encountered strife from that point onward. What is Bitcoin money? In spite of the fact that it isn't the most established, Bitcoin money is one of the greatest and most popular forks of the digital currency. Not long before Bitcoin accomplished its past all-time high of $20,000 toward the finish of 2017, Bitcoin money was created. It extended the size of the blocks in the chain to empower more exchanges to rapidly be handled more. It's fascinating to take note of that the digital money split into Bitcoin money ABC and Bitcoin money SV in November 2018. This shows an eagerness to keep Bitcoin and digital currencies overall advancing. But BCH's forking was essentially spurred by Bitcoin's 1 megabyte block size limitation. Since blocks couldn't oblige the expansion in size for exchanges stacked up and hung tight for affirmation. Accordingly, Bitcoin money proposed making blocks between 8 megabytes and 32 megabytes in size, considering the handling of additional exchanges per block. In a Bitcoin block, there are normally somewhere in the range of 1,000 and 1,500 exchanges. 25,000 exchanges for each block were recorded on the Bitcoin money network during a pressure test in September 2018. The person behind this fork, Roger Ver, has been advancing the idea that Satoshi Nakamoto, who concocted Bitcoin, was liable for having a computerized money that could work under pressure. The adjustment of Bitcoin's block size, according to Ver and defenders of Bitcoin money, will make it workable for clients to involve Bitcoin as a mode for normal exchanges and allow it an opportunity to contend with enormous MasterCard handling organizations like Visa that charge extravagant expenses to handle worldwide exchanges. All through its most memorable year, Bitcoin money's cost vacillated fiercely. However, after the finish of 2018 and up until this point, the cost has been less unpredictable yet essentially moving lower. In the span of 2 months of beginning its cost history in August 2017 at $573, Bitcoin money has hit its record-breaking high. Bitcoin money is right now worth $115.27 USD. BCH has moved 1.03% as of now with an exchanging volume of $56,621,193. Bitcoin money is presently positioned 29 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $2,236,024,178 USD. Using the overall strength file, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal union difference from the diagram above, we can decide cost designs for Bitcoin money to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation conjectures utilize constant Bitcoin money market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost forecasts in light of current market action. Bitcoin money value forecast 2023. Bitcoin money, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital currencies to rise this year. The BCH cost figure for 2023 expects a critical expansion in the year's last part, potentially coming to $172.08. Similarly, as with other cryptographic forms of money, the ascent will be slow. However, no impressive drops are normal. Averaging $160.61 in cost is very aggressive, yet it is practical sooner rather than later given expected coordinated efforts and headway. BCH is supposed to have a base worth of $137.66. Bitcoin money value expectation 2024 of every 2024. Bitcoin money BCH cost forecast has a lot of space for extension. Because of the possible declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of BCH will before long outperform $286.80. In any case, we ought to hold back to check whether the BCH's overall strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, BCH will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $229.44 and a typical exchanging cost of $252.39. Bitcoin Money Value Forecast 2025. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $401.52 and BCH might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. BCH is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $367.11 and a low of $344.16 in 2025. Bitcoin Money Value Expectation 2026. Assuming Bitcoin Money effectively supports market opinion among digital currency devotees, the BCH coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, BCH will be green in 2026. The BCH is supposed to reach and outperform its untouched high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual money will be valued at $516.24, with a base cost of $458.88 and a typical cost of $481.83. Bitcoin Money Value Expectation 2027. After some broad determining and specialized investigation, we gauge the BCH cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $596.55 by 2027, with a base cost of $573.60 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, BCH has a greatest value worth of $630.96. Bitcoin Money Value Forecast 2028. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $711.27. In the event that BCH figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a most extreme cost of $745.68. Neglecting to assemble the help BCH needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $688.32. Bitcoin Money Value Expectation 2029. While BCH is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry cooperation, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at $803.05 and a yearly cost close above $860.41 in 2029. Bitcoin Money Value Expectation 2030. By 2030, Bitcoin Money will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be $917.77 and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of $975.13, averaging out at $940.71. Bitcoin Money Value Expectation 2031. The digital currency market is known to be exceptionally unstable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost gouging is a troublesome undertaking. Makes an honest effort to figure future sticker costs with accuracy, but all forecasts ought not be taken as monetary guidance, and you should DYOR. In 2031, we are anticipating that digital money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. Thusly,